All right, we're talking about lesson 7, and lesson 7 is about stewardship. So you can see in this image, someone is holding the planet in their hands. That's sort of the idea behind stewardship. We are stewards of our planet. We are responsible for keeping it alive and keeping it healthy enough for future generations. So this means responsible use of land and resources so that future generations, so future people in the future will enjoy healthy environments to live in. Okay, so for this lesson, you are watching a video, and this video is called The Story of Stuff. And so the Story of Stuff is a video that breaks down something called the materials economy. So it shows you all the different steps involved in the processing of goods. So we have extraction, production, distribution, consumption, and disposal. So the first step in the materials economy is extraction, right? And that's when resources are taken from the environment to be developed. So in the case of the image here, the resource is lumber, right, which comes from trees. And so you can see that it's been taken from the environment and it's taken to a processing plant where it will be developed, right? So step 2 is production. That's where the resource development happens. Okay, so resources are developed and made into products to be consumed by people. Step 3 is distribution. That's where the products that have been made out of the resources are now put into stores, right? So products are transported to stores that distribute or sell the products to consumers, right? And now in 2021, it's becoming far more common to skip the stores altogether and to have items be shipped directly to people's homes, right? So that's a new way of distributing things in today's world. However, most distribution is still happening in stores today. Okay, step 4 is consumption. That's when we use it. So here we see the kid that's using the paper that came from the tree that was extracted in the first step. Consumption is people use the products that have been made out of the resources. And then step 5 is disposal. So ultimately, most things end up being taken to landfill. It is possible to recycle things as well, though. So paper and cardboard can be recycled pretty effectively and be turned into new products. However, plastics, 85%, I believe, of plastics end up just going to landfill. And even plastics that do get recycled, plastic can only actually be recycled 1 to 4 times before it needs to end up in landfill as well. Okay, so now it's time for you to go to the next video in this playlist, which is The Story of Stuff. And you can watch that video, and it takes you through all of these steps in the materials economy. And once you've done that, you should have a better understanding of how it all works. All right.